Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of September 25th through October 1st, which is week 39 of 2023, in my Estelle B6 Daily Classic. So for this week, my plan is to use this kit from Lovely Planner Blog. I think it's called Pumpkin Spice, but I'm not totally sure. Please don't quote me on it. It's down below. You'll see it linked in the name and all of that kind of stuff. But I thought it was perfect for the kind of start of more fall weather. October starting with the pumpkins seems perfect for this time of year. So that is my plan for this week. I didn't pull out a lot to help me with this setup. We're just going to kind of see how it goes. I did pull out this mild liner. I guess the color is probably just like brown or something like that. It's in Japanese, so not an expert on that. But it says brown mild liner. I'm going to write some stuff in. I think I am probably going to stick with kind of like a loose cursive font, kind of like the autumn and pumpkins here. So I'm gonna write that stuff in, and then I will be back so that we can do the interesting bits. I do also want to note, I pulled out this skinny washi from Dollar Tree, and I will use this underneath the dollar or underneath the date information. And I think I'm gonna use this kind of like yellow gold color I by M fine liner for the times for those days so that I can fit everything a little bit better. So I'm gonna do all that stuff now, and then I will be back to do the interesting bits. Okay, we have the basic framework set up, and I did not run out of my washi, so that was exciting. I'm gonna start filling in some stuff. I kind of want to use this quote box that says autumn leaves and pumpkin please, because it's adorable and I feel like it's perfect for putting up here. There we go. That looks so cute. And then I'm gonna use a strip of this washi because it still exists and it's almost gone, I feel like. So I would rather just keep working on it. There we go. And then I do want to stick in this meal planning guy. And how much space does that leave me? I think it's only space for one habit tracker. So I'm going to stick in the orange habit tracker. There we go. And then another row of this washi. I'm leaving tiny gaps because I feel like that's how it visually is looking. And then I'm going to stick in this one. There we go. Okay, I think I'm just going to leave it there. That looks pretty good. I could write to do or something up here at the top, but I just don't really care. So we're gonna not put anything there for now, and we can always sort something out later if I feel like it. Moving on to the weekdays, I really don't know like anything for these days beyond a bunch of work stuff that's uninteresting for putting in here at this point. So I am just gonna start putting in some of these boxes, and that's really all I'm gonna fill in at this point, I believe. So I'm gonna just stick in this box right here. That's super cute. And then on Tuesday, I'll use this box. With these cozy vibes. There we go. And then on Wednesday, I think I'm gonna use the candle. And a little cotton. I don't think I'm gonna fill anything into that box. I think it actually looks pretty cute on its own. And then Friday, ended up with too many coffee things next to each other, but I just don't really care. I'm going to use this one here, and then I'm going to use this one on Friday, and I think it's going to look okay, even though it's two coffee things next to each other. There we go. That's not perfectly straight, but it's close enough, and we're just going to go with it. And then I think I'm going to stick this one right here. And then I'm going to stick this one I can get it to let go of the scruffy scraps up here. There we go. And then I'm going to put in the weekend banner. Again, if I can get it to let go. All right, and I'm going to stick that up here at the top, like so. And then I'm not going to fill in anything else because it's all functional stuff that I will figure out when I get there. So I think as of right now, this is all I've got for pre-planning. Pretty simple, but I think it's looking very cute and definitely very fallish. So excited for that. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spreads. All right, here are the finished spreads. Sorry for the slightly strange lighting. The sun is just very bright right now. But this is how the week turned out. I think it turned out really good overall. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Lovely Planner blog, and there is still a decent amount left in this kit. I'm just gonna throw this in my leftovers so that I can use it at some point in the future whenever I get around to it fitting with one of those spreads. The brown is a mild liner, and then from Zebra, and then this orange down the side is from one of those I Buy 'Em fine liners from Amazon. And then this washi is from Dollar Tree. And then otherwise, let's see, what else did I use? Pretty much just stuff from the kit, and then this one comes from Creative Cavern Studio. But that's really all I had. It turned out to be a really good week. Quite busy overall for the work week, and then a pretty relaxing weekend overall. But we did get a few things done. So that's all I really have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know your highlight of the week, or leave me a pumpkin emoji for the start of fall. Just to drop by and say hi. I would love to say hi back. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.